The Deloitte Consulting Group is researching and analyzing the solar power industry for Sky Blue Sky.
I'm Cheng Peng. I'm the head consultant at Deloitte Consulting Firm.
I'm Chuji Jiang, consultant at Deloitte Consulting.
I'm Hannah Huxhold, financial analyst at Deloitte Consulting.
And I'm Sharko Korik, industry and market analyst at Deloitte Consulting. The decision for Sky Blue Sky to invest in solar energy comes down to the following: factors of productivity and manufacturing, the market size and demand, and the success of competitors. The concerns have been addressed in the following presentation.
The following are keys to manufacturing productivity. A company's profitability is based on a balance between maintenance, quality, and productivity. Factory managers must analyze manufacturing procedures continually to see where improvements are needed. For maximum productivity and profitability, companies must be flexible and continuously adjust to keep up with competing markets. The company can maintain and improve business strategies through more effective manufacturing. This can be achieved with an organizational plan derived from the company's strengths and weaknesses. In order to make manufacturing productivity both effective and efficient, the company should focus on most relevant circumstances of manufacturing: delivery, quality, customer focus, and know-how. The company must be aware of all components of manufacturing and understand that overall throughput effectiveness is more important for creating an effective process than the equipment alone. To increase productivity, the company must use its resources where they are most highly valued. Figuring out what manufacturing operations are not adding value to the products can help to cut costs and increase efficiency. According to this chart, when questioned, 64% of people favored solar energy to other alternative energy sources. This proves that solar energy is a strong competitor among other alternative energy industries. This chart is courtesy of Mintel.
The two biggest players in the solar power industry are First Solar and Seaworld AG. These two companies composed of 20% of the market share. Founded in 1999, First Solar is a publicly traded company that provides comprehensive solar power services, including solar module manufacturing, solar power system design and installation, and power plant project development, engineering, construction, financing, and operations and maintenance. Headquartered in Tempe, Arizona, First Solar has more than 6,500 employees worldwide, as well as manufacturing facilities in Germany, Malaysia, and the United States. Europe, especially Germany, has traditionally been the company's primary market due to strong government subsidies for solar energy. From the graph, we see that in the 5 years to 2013, First Solar's American manufacturing business is expected to decrease at an annualized rate of 5.5% to $100.9 million. Industry-relevant revenue grew quickly from 2008 to 2010 because U.S. government tax credits for businesses and consumers generated strong downstream demand for solar energy. Despite these positive drivers, the company's manufacturing business contracted 5.4% in 2011 and another 53% in 2012. These declines are a result of growing competition from Chinese manufacturers, which lowered solar panel prices. In response, the company shifts its focus from manufacturing to providing power system design, construction, and installation services. This shift, however, resulted in an operating loss of $98.8 million in 2012, which is in line with the restructuring process. In 2013, profit is expected to slightly recover, although it remains significantly below pre-recession levels. There are three other companies that perform really well in the solar power industry. German company SolarWorld AG is one of the largest solar panel manufacturers in the United States. Suniva is a private Georgia-based manufacturer of high-efficiency crystalline silicon solar cells and panels. SunPower is a vertically integrated solar cell and panel manufacturing company located in Phoenix.
Trends in the solar energy industry have shown that the industry is both profitable and promising. The industry has had increasing revenue since 2006, with the highest yearly growth rate coming in at 133%. The solar energy industry is expected to experience positive growth rate up until at least 2020, which is shown on the following chart courtesy of IBIS World. As you can see, the solar energy industry has experienced growth in the last few years, and it is also expected to experience growth in the next few years. The detailed numbers concerning revenues can be found in this revenue chart. As you can see, there's money to be made in the solar energy industry. In addition, two positive trends in the solar energy industry show that electric power consumption has and continues to increase rapidly, and in addition, the price of electronic components is going down, which allows for greater profit margins.
Domestic demand is increasing and will remain steady for years to come. Public interest in green energy has begun to increase in recent years, and the outlook is positive for increased interest for years to come. According to the demand determinant section of IBIS World, demand of solar energy is based on different factors including government legislation, interest in green technology, and the price of solar power. The federal investment tax credit has allowed solar power generation firms to write off 30% of the taxes associated with building a plant, which has encouraged investment in the industry and has encouraged the industry to provide a lower price for the products. Second, public interest in green technology and renewable energy has increased in recent years due to the occurrence of extreme weather. As you can see from the graph, the domestic demand for the solar power has increased from 196.6 million in 2005 to 5,504 in 2013, and the imports for the solar power have increased dramatically as well. In addition, the lower the price of the solar, the higher the demand for this type of energy. The falling price of solar panel installation has increased the demand for the solar power, and the technological progress in the industry has decreased the price of solar per unit of energy generation. As the technology will always progress, the price of solar will fall economies of scale. The solar energy industry is currently a $500 million market. Considering all alternative energy sources, solar energy is preferred 90% of the time. The major markets in this industry are utilities, commercial customers, and industrial customers. According to the chart, 36% of the markets are utilities. These utility firms buy solar energy from solar producers or generate solar power themselves to sell electricity to their customers. 34% of the markets are commercial entities, and this segment has increased in the past 5 years. Many commercial entities have been interested in supplying solar energy to facilities. 30% of the markets are the industrial users. These users normally require energy with lower price. According to the revenue growth graph from IBIS World, electricity production from solar power has expanded broadly over the past 5 years, and the industry's explosive growth will continue into 2014, when revenue is anticipated to grow by 90.3% to 491.9 million.
The Deloitte Consulting Group recommends Sky Blue Sky to invest based on the research performed regarding potential success in the solar energy industry. We also advise Sky Blue Sky to invest in a strong research and development department in order to keep up with the innovative and changing alternative energy sources in the dynamic industry.